Here's a Pacific hurricane outlook. We are continuing to monitor two disturbances out in the eastern Pacific Ocean. A disturbed area that hasn't developed, and a currently ongoing system that is near the coast of Mexico. And this system right here is called Tropical Depression 2. This is advisory number 2. Maximum sustained winds are still 25 knots or 30 miles per hour. The central pressure is still holding steady at 1007 millibars. It is now moving northwest at 3 miles per hour. It will make a very close approach to landfall. It won't quite make landfall, but it will come very close to landfall on Mexico. Make a very close landfall. Still, it hasn't strengthened much so far, but further strengthening is forecast. It probably will not turn into a tropical storm tonight. Yeah, it probably won't be a tropical storm tonight. But by tomorrow morning, it should be at or very close to tropical storm strength, minimal. And further strengthening is forecast to take place. As you can see, increasing up to 60 miles per hour by Sunday morning. And it looks like this will be a longer-lived storm. If trends continue, it will be a longer-lived storm. As you can see, it just shows slow strengthening for the rest of this week into early next week. So dissipation of this system is not likely to occur even for the next, I'd say, 5 days. For the next 5 days, it is supposed to remain active. This system could, although the potential for it to become a hurricane is quite low at this time, the chances of it reaching a hurricane have been slowly going up ever since the advisories have been started on this system. So will it or will it not reach hurricane status? It will still create very heavy rainfall along the Mexican coast for the next couple of days. So no wind history of tropical storm yet. No history of tropical storm winds yet. But tropical storm further strengthening into a tropical storm is forecast to take place, and it should reach tropical storm status by tomorrow morning. It will remain a weak tropical storm through this weekend, and at the beginning of next week on Sunday, it should be reached a strong tropical storm, or what you'd say moderate tropical storm. So trends will be continued to monitor on Tropical Depression 2E. In this area, showers and thunderstorms associated with a nearly stationary area of low pressure located a few hundred miles south-southwest of Manzanillo, Mexico, have become less organized this morning. Still, their environmental conditions appear marginally conducive for development, and there's a medium chance, 50%, of the system becoming a tropical cyclone during the next 48 hours. This system is disorganizing. It still does have a potential to become a tropical depression, maybe a minimal tropical storm, before it really begins to fall apart. And who knows, it could actually reorganize, you never know. So, that is your outlook for right now, and check for updates later.